Hello, my name is Ira Clark, and I'm an assistant adjunct professor at UCLA. I'm also the lead investigator on a project that's a collaboration between UCLA and Fresno State. This semester, in addition to the regular content that you would normally learn in Chemistry 1B, you're going to get a deep dive into a current cutting-edge research project. In this case, a project that's run by the laboratory of Professor Jenny Yang at UC Irvine. Now, the research may be a little difficult to understand at first, maybe very difficult to understand at first, but your instructor for Chem 1B, Dr. Corsepius, will gradually unpack the research as you go through the semester and connect elements of that project to the content that you'll be learning in Chemistry 1B, different principles, techniques, etc. We'd like to understand the impact that this has on your learning and your experience in Chem 1B. And so to better measure that, our assessment team has prepared a pair of surveys that we would like you to take. One that will be administered today, and another that you will get at the end of the semester. Now, the surveys are completely voluntary, but we would very much appreciate your participation so that we can not only better understand the value that this approach has on your learning, but also so that we can see what works well, what maybe should be improved moving forward, and so that you can help out your fellow students at Fresno State in future semesters of Chem 1B. The survey is administered electronically. You should have received an email from our assessment team shortly before class. That email will have the subject header short Chemistry 1B survey, and it will have been sent from the email account assessment@teaching.ucla.edu. If you can't find the email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. Inside the email, there will be a link to the survey. It's being housed on a platform called SurveyMonkey. If you can't find the email in either your inbox or your spam folder, there will be a direct link to the survey that will be posted to the class by the instructor, probably by Dr. Corsepius, actually. The survey is also anonymous. There will be, I think, a question in there that asks for some identifying information, probably a university ID number. That is solely so that the members of our assessment team can connect your answers today with your answers in the survey at the end of the semester and track any changes that you might report. The assessment team are the only people who see any student's individual answers. I do not see anybody's individual answers. Dr. Corsepius does not see anybody's individual answers. None of the administration at Fresno State or at UCLA does. The assessment team will eventually prepare an aggregate report that sums up everybody's answers and reports the overall trends to me and my colleagues in the project. So your answers are completely anonymized as far as anybody other than the assessment team is concerned. Anyway, I hope that you will take a few minutes to participate and complete the survey. It will really help us and your fellow students at Fresno State. And with that, I'd like to wish you all a very successful and enjoyable semester. Thank you.